Hello everybody, once again it's Walkthrough Wednesday here at Primeaux RV. Today we're going to show you this it's a Puma 31FKRK. So that stands for a front kitchen, and it's got the rear king bed in the back. On the outside you've got your electric awning that you have on all of your Puma travel trailers, LED light strips. You also have the outdoor speakers up here. Nice feature on this camper, you've got the little outdoor kitchen. It's got the induction cooktop here. This will slide away and hide when you go to close this in. You got your sink out here, and you've got a little refrigerator for extra cold drinks and everything. Keep the kids from running inside every time they want something to drink, or you can keep some extra cold beer out there. On the door front right here, you've got the solid steps that come all the way to the ground. A lot of manufacturers are going to these, but it comes all the way to the ground. These steps, the legs at the bottom are adjustable. So different campsites, you can adjust that and set it up differently. Big grab handle on the front up here, makes it easy to get in and out. The bracket that I'll show you inside on the TV will actually, you can take it out and set it up out here, so you don't have to buy two separate TVs, one for indoor and one for outdoor. Take the bracket off, slide it out here. You got a place to plug in the TV here, and then a cable connection here, so you get in your satellite or your cable from the campground. You have a secondary entrance here, and this one does have electric stabilizer jacks on the back and also on the rear. On the front of the camper, it's got a molded fiberglass front cap. You've got the nice LED docking lights up here, and then this is a window on the inside. You'll be able to see that. So you got a nice window up there. If you got a beautiful view, if you're out at Toledo Bend or out at the lake, you can open that up and see everything there. Of course, you got your electric tongue jack, makes it easy to, when you go in the hookup, raise and lower the front of the camper. Come on inside. All right guys, walking inside, this is a nice cozy feel to the camper. This is the outside, that big window I was telling you about when we were outside. Once again, you got a nice view. Take advantage of it. And then you also have the big single compartment, what we call a farmhouse stainless steel sink. Lots of counter space in here, plenty of place to set up for lunch and everything. Of course, you got your appliance package. This one has the stainless steel appliance package. You got your microwave here, the stove down here with your oven. Fold back glass top on your stove to where you have a backsplash whenever you're using the cooktop. And then you got the nice accent LED lighting underneath your countertops and everything here. You can see the blue accent lighting. Big refrigerator. This is actually just about an 11 cubic foot refrigerator. The nice thing about this one, it's 12 volts, so it'll work as you're going down the road. It's working off of your battery. And it's also, whenever you're plugged in at the campground, your converter is running that also. Big pantry. A lot of people, pantry storage is a big thing for most customers, most campers. And then you also have the dinette will drop down. You can make this extra sleeping if you have the grandkids or kids with you. So that'll make a little bed here. You've got your theater seats here. Both of these will recline out. These are nice. You can actually take a nap in these. In the afternoon, they'll fold all the way back and drop back. And you'll have a little center console to put your remote controls and things in, and of course, place for your cold drinks. The fireplace is an electric fireplace, but it's also a 5,000 BTU electric heater. So you don't always have to use your furnace and use your propane. Most of my customers will say that they'll use that exclusively, and that'll keep the entire camper warm during the wintertime. AM/FM stereo up here with your CD player and DVD. This also has the Bluetooth function, so if you're sitting outside, you connect your tablet or your phone to it. You can adjust what you're listening to, and you can also adjust the volume up and down. The mount that I was telling you about, you set your TV up on here. This mount will come off, and that'll go to the outside and mount there so you can watch the ball game. This has dual air conditioning units. You got one AC up here, you got another AC in the back. And this is the king size bed. And you also have the option, you got either a nice closet back here for extra storage, but you have washer dryer connections as well. A lot of people are full-timing nowadays, and that comes in handy. Other convenience features, USB ports to plug in your phone or your laptop or your tablets, and then you also have plug-ins on the outside here, either side of the bed. And then you still have lots of storage inside of here for hanging clothes. Give you a quick look at the bathroom. Where you got the nice stand-up shower, overhead medicine cabinet, and then extra cabinet storage for your towels and linens. Thanks again, guys, for watching Primeaux's Walkthrough Wednesday. Once again, this is our factory showcase this week until the 22nd, and this is one of our featured units in that factory showcase. Thanks again, guys.